Hello there everyone, this is Chris Wilkey from FBA Master, and what I want to do in this video is just give you a little walkthrough of OAXRay so that you guys have a good idea of how you can use it really quickly to cut the time down on the amount of time you spend sourcing online. So, first of all, OAXRay.com is where you can go here, and it's got a bunch of stuff. They got some great videos. We'll also be putting some videos on our YouTube channel, some other great stuff, but it's kind of your home base. Now, if you would like to learn even more about it and get double the length of a free trial, you head over to fbamaster.com/OAXRay-info, and you actually get access to a 6-day free trial that only FBA Master blog followers get. So we have a whole little spiel here. We even offer a money-back guarantee that we'll even train you how to use this so that we know you're going to make money because we believe in it that much. So just take a look here. It gives you all your information, and there is links that if you go through, you get a free 6-day trial. Like I said, it's only available for those who go through our blog. Otherwise, you get your 3 free days here. Now, enough of the salesy pitch. I guess it's not a sales pitch, just telling you where it's at. Let's show you how you actually use it. So they'll walk you through the setup process. It's pretty easy. It took about 5 minutes, and that was the long end. They do everything manually, so you will take a little bit to get your code, and your code will only start once you input it into the system. So your 6 days starts then. So, okay, now, what in the heck did you just have me sign up for, Chris? Now, OAXRay, sorry, I keep saying it a little strange, helps you sort through items quickly online. For example, we're going to go to the home goods. Let's go to tools. On Ace. Ace is one of their supported sites. They have about 22 of them, I think, and they're constantly updating them. But let's see here. Okay, so we're going to look at the Irvin tool. We got 6 tools here. Now, if I was going to go like I used to do, I would open this one up. I would look it up here. It would say there's 36 matches. I would look in this area right here. I would highlight this. I would go to contextual menu search. I would pick Amazon. I just go through and do it like that. OAXRay makes it a lot easier. I have this little blue button up here with the barcode and the magnifying glass. That is now my easy button, like the Staples commercial. You just hit it and it's easy. So once I hit it, it's going to start sorting and pulling in the name information. So let's do it again. It's going to start pulling in the name information that is on that page. So if we look here, we got Marathon 7 1/4 carbide saw blade. We look here, we got the title. There it is, Shop Marathon 7 1/4 inch saw blade. So we have all this great information here. But really cool things. I've already set up my colors. Green means go for me. Red means no. So we look here. This one I can make about 8% on. Sales rank's not great. I'm going to pass. This one you'd lose money if you bought it. Okay. This one looks like an easy 34.26%. Let's take a look here. If you hover over the price, it'll show you what your Amazon picture is and what your Ace Hardware picture is. I'm actually looking for some of these, so this is perfect. I can actually buy the one so I can do some work in my bathroom. But then here's another one. We got a 1380 or 13.1 here and a 4.99. And of course, my computer is going to go a little hanky because I'm recording and doing this at the same time. But it's the same item. So let's take a look at it. We'll open the 13. We'll open the 4. Amazon is selling them at $12.97. That is free shipping there. Let's look here. Price varies, but looks, that's marketplace news, so we got to add shipping into that. Sales rank is in the 200 and some thousand. Same guys right here, $4.99. Awesome. Now, let's also go over to something like Raise, which is a nice gift card place. You can buy discounted gift cards. Let's see if there's any Ace gift cards. They're out of stock. So let's go to Gift Card Granny. Let's see if Ace is on here. Ace. you can get 21.5% off. Bidding on an auction. View coupons. Here's some coupons you can use. So definitely take a look here, and you can start adding these in here. So the awesome part about the whole OAXRay is that I can filter out positive ROI just with a click of a button. I'm able to see if there's items that don't have a match. I can see if there's an item that is not currently available on Amazon. I can show all of my listings. I can add it to my own buy list. So say I wanted to buy these Irwin tools. I can just add it to my buy list. And now it is updated here. And I can just go through and open all of the rows that I have and go for it. I can also filter it and say I want nothing that has a rank higher than this. And we're just going to hit go. And I hit my buys and it's going to filter it all. So it's going to go through there and filter that. So let's make a ROI of 30%. My buys filters again. Now my discount, we saw I could do a 10% discount. It's going to automatically update this and show me my new percentage return. It's going to show me my items that are in here. Now I will warn you, it's slightly buggy. It's still 4 months old. It's not that old, but it is a fantastic software. You can actually export this to my current in a CSV file. You could do all the magic you want with it. But that's just a basic run through of what OAXRay is. So let's go to a store everyone knows and loves, Walmart. We got here's hard work, celebrate with savings. Well, yeah, we'll shop now. Screw it. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. We've got all of these products. I could click for days, never get anywhere, never do anything. But let's just do this. Boom. And it's going to start filtering. It takes a little bit to start pulling it up, but it's just going to keep going. Now, I want nothing with a rank higher than 300,000 per se, and I want at least a 30% return. My buys. And we're going to start looking here, and it's going to keep filtering. And right now, nothing's jumping out to me of what I really, really want. Except this guy. Notice there's no rank, but we're not gonna throw that one under the bus yet. We've got silver there. Let's go over to this. Oh, very nice. No reviews. I'm not interested. So you could go into any section of the website. So say I wanted to go into, let's go in to toys. That's where everybody goes, by the way. Let's go to Star Wars. You know there's a big release. You want to know what items you need to buy here. So you're going to start looking. Oh, Star Wars. There we go. We're going to start getting this. Let's shop now. Now, I could be sitting here going, holy crap. I am ungated in Star Wars, whatever number this is. What items should I be looking for? I have no idea. Well, let's just take care of that really quick here. Chow. It's going to start going for me. It's going to go poo, 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 poo. Now, while that's running, let's make sure it's going here. It takes it a little bit. So this is not something that you're going to sit and wait and watch. I'm just going to hit it again. Just let it go. It'll start doing it. It's got to think. There we go. That's what I like to see. Bump-a-da-dun. We're going. Out of stock is what these are. This is wonderful, guys. This is like money heaven. Okay, so first one, Angry Birds Star Wars Death Star Jenga game. Okay, let's see here. Let's open up the Walmart one. Let's open up the Angry Birds. $12.98, $12.99. Okay, didn't pull the right price in. Don't get discouraged about stuff like this because it'll happen. It's probably pulling in information from old stuff. So we just ignore it and we go on. So we're going to go here and say, well, Amazon's never sold this. They're out of stock now. Let's take a look. What the heck? This just gives you some ideas of what items may be good. $12.99. Target's got it in for $29.99. Now what about Amazon? Let's see where they're at right now. Unavailable. Sales rank of 642. Okay, so here is a perfect example of something. You can buy this from another store. Target, whatever. It's out of stock at Target. We're still in stock at Walmart, though. So you can buy this, ship it in, you'd own this item. So this is how you use OAXRay to find items like this. I could go on forever, but that's just the basics of it. So I'm going to add in that I want to save this one to... Yeah, we're just going to keep going, keep looking here. We got a 14% return. Here's a wonderful one. Let's take a look here. Hot Wheels and this. It's out of stock. Maybe you can get it locally. Perfect. Look how much it sells for online. At a rank of 10,000. Perfect thing to keep an eye out for. You find this puppy in a store, you've just made some serious money. Now you're starting to think here, aren't we? So, that is an intro to OAXRay, and I hope you guys have liked it. If you have questions, Mike, John, and myself are here to help as much as humanly possible. So please do not hesitate at any time to let us know if you have these questions. We hope that you enjoy it, and I'm just going to remind you again, head over to FBA Master /OAXRay-info. You're going to get double the free trial. You're going to be able to use this to find some amazing products, and you get a lot of extra benefits. We even put our name behind it. So we hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy the little intro to OAXRay. And I'm going to do a few more videos here, and you can see some other uses on how to actually take this to the next level and find some amazing finds. Once again, this is Chris Wilkey with FBA Master, and I look forward to talking with you again soon.